Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to start chapter 11, profit and loss, and I will solve some problems of exercise 11A, and I will describe some formula related to this chapter. CP means cost price. प्राइस एट विच वी परचेज एनीथिंग, वो प्राइस जिस पे हम किसी सामान को खरीदते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड कास्ट प्राइस. एंड एसपी मींस सेलिंग प्राइस. सेलिंग प्राइस, द प्राइस ऑन विच वी सेल समथिंग, वो प्राइस जिस पे हम कोई सामान बेचते हैं. तो जनरली आप एक चीज समझते हैं, अगर जैसे मार्केट मैंने 25 रुपीज़ का खरीदा और 30 रुपये का बेचा तो मुझे 5 रुपये का गेन हो गया, 5 रुपये मुझे फायदा हो गया. बट अगर इसी 25 रुपीज़ के मार्कर को अगर मैं 20 रुपीज़ में बेचता हूँ तो मुझे 5 रुपीज़ का लॉस हुआ. देन इफ CP is less than SP, then it will be gain. It will be gain. And gain equal to SP minus CP. And gain percent equal to gain upon CP into 100%. Now, if CP is greater than SP, it will be loss. It will be loss. And loss equal to CP minus SP. And loss percent equal to loss upon CP into 100%. Loss and gain always calculated on CP. लॉस हो या गेन हो, अगर हम उसका गेन परसेंट या लॉस परसेंट निकालते हैं तो अपॉन CP ही रहेगा, SP नहीं होगा. अगेन SP equal to 100 plus gain upon 100 into CP, and SP equal to 100 minus loss upon 100 into CP, and CP equal to 100 upon 100 plus gain into SP, and CP equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss into SP. These are 4 formulas. With the help of this formula, we can solve problems related to this chapter. And sometimes we find discount. कहीं कहीं हमको डिस्काउंट भी देखने को मिल जाता है. तो डिस्काउंट इक्वल टू MP माइनस SP. और MP मीन्स मार्क प्राइस और प्रिंटेड प्राइस. जैसे बुक है, बुक पे 300 लिखा है और आपको बुक सेलर जो है 250 में दे देता है, तो प्रिंटेड प्राइस है, मार्क प्राइस जो है 300 है और आपको 250 में देता है, तो सेलिंग प्राइस है. और डिस्काउंट अगर आपको निकालना होगा तो मार्क प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस कर देंगे, आपको डिस्काउंट पता लग जाएगा. अगर मार्ट प्राइस 300 है आपको 250 में देता है तो इसका मतलब डिस्काउंट 50 रुपये का हो गया. सो आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व some problems of this exercise. 11a, find the SP. Question number 1, part first. Question number 1, part first. Question number 1, part first. Find SP if CP equal to rupees 950 and gain equal to 6%. Therefore, SP equal to 100 plus gain upon 100 into CP, then 100 plus 6 upon 100 into 950, 106 upon 100 into 950, 5 to the 10, 19, 2 5 ja 2 3 ja R 19 3 ja 57 5 and 19 5 ja 95 and 5 100 rupees 1007. Similarly, you may solve question number 3 and 2 both. Take another question. Question number 2. Question number 2, part 2, part second. CP equal to rupees 1650 and SP equal to rupees 1452. Here CP is greater than SP, so there will be loss, and loss equal to CP minus SP, rupees 1650 minus 1452 is equal to rupees 891 198. Therefore, last percent loss upon CP into 100%, 198 and CP equal to 1650 into 100%, 5 to the 10, 5 3 ja 5 3 ja 11 3 ja 11 18, 3 6 ja means 12%. Loss is 12%. Question number 6. Now question number 6. A vendor buys lemons at rupees 25 per dozen and sells them at the rate of 5 per rupees 12. Find the gain or loss percent. Question number 6. A vendor buys lemons at rupees 25 per dozen, means CP of 12 lemons is equal to rupees 25. Therefore CP of 11 rupees 25 upon 12 and SP of 5 lemons is equal to rupees 12. Therefore SP of a lemon equal to rupees 12 upon 5. Which is greater? Compare which is greater, 25 upon 12 or 12 upon 5. Take LCM. It will be 60. 25, 5 is 125 and 144. Means SP is greater than CP. SP is greater than CP. So there will be gain, and gain equal to SP minus CP, means 12 upon 5 minus 25 upon 12, it is equal to 144 minus 125 upon 60, and it is equal to 9 and 3 minus 2 1, 19 upon 60. Therefore gain percent equal to gain upon CP into 100%. Gain 19 upon 60 and CP, here is CP 25 upon 12 into 100%. Or we can write it 19 into 12 upon 60 into 25 into 100%. 25 4 ja and 12 5 ja, means 76 upon 5%, and it is equal to 15 whole 1 upon 5%. Gain is yes sir. Answer is correct. Now we may take some other problems and you should like this. Now question number 13. Question number 13. On selling a computer for rupees 24,480, a dealer loses 4%. For how much should he sell it to gain 4%? Very simple. Here SP is given rupees 24,480 and loss equal to 4%. Then CP equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss into SP, 100 upon 100 minus 4 into 24,480, 100 upon 96 into 24480. 24 and 4 6 ja 4 1 ja 4 2 ja 4 6 ja 4 1 ja 4 5 ja 4 3 ja 2 3 ja 2 7 ja 2 6 ja 2 5 ja 3 3 2 ja 6 3 5 ja 15 3 5 ja 15. Then it is equal to rupees 25,500. Then a required SP is equal to 100 plus gain upon 100 into CP. 100 plus gain equal to 4% into 100 into 25,500. Then it is equal to rupees 104 into 255. You may multiply it. 255 into 104. 4 5 ja 20, 22. 4 2 ja 8 and 2 10. 0 0 0 5 5 2 5 6 2. So required SP is equal to rupees 26,520. This is your answer. I like this. You may solve other problems related to this chapter, and if you have any problem, then you may ask me, and I will try to solve some problems in next video of exercise 11B and 1 or 2 problems of 11A. Thank you.